It's almost like falling in love.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about a new wet dry vacuum cleaner, Narwal S10 Pro. Well, being a tech reviewer, it isn't easy because most of the time when my friends or family members they wanna buy something, they come and ask me, Han, which one should I buy? I want this feature, I want that feature. Please find me something that suits me the most. It's a tough job. My friend Eva, she has asked me to find her a wet dry vacuum cleaner that aligns with all of her requirements. And yeah, her requirements are a bit complex. She wanted something that is very light, ultra light, something that can clean all the different type of dirts and messes with ease. Moreover, doesn't need complex maintenance and comes with a very good battery life. So I have tried a few different wet dry vacuum cleaners and finally recommended her this Narwal S10 Pro. As she is super happy and satisfied, I bought another for myself, and yeah, I think among all the wet dry vacuum cleaners available on the market within this price segment, Narwal S10 Pro not only performs the best, it also offers the best value for money. Well, as usual, we'll start from unboxing and then we will check the specifications and then we will check the features and performance of this Narwal S10 Pro. But before that, one request, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing.
Today we are gonna talk about this Narwal S10 Pro. In my opinion, this is one of the best wet dry vacuum cleaners available on the market right now. Narwal S10 Pro is a handheld stick style wet dry vacuum cleaner and it has incredible maneuverability. More importantly, it is one of the lightest wet dry vacuum cleaners that is available on the market compared to the other wet dry vacuum cleaners available on the market. Narwal S10 Pro generates less muscle fatigue. I have already talked about maneuverability. Yeah, it is pretty much flexible. It supports 63-degree left-right angle, so it is very easy to rotate and it has an increased side-to-side cleaning efficiency. It also supports 180-degree lie down curve, so we can easily put this underneath our couch or bed. Not only that, sometimes I have noticed that there are a few corners in my home which other wet dry vacuum cleaners cannot reach and clean properly, but this Narwal S10 Pro can easily reach and clean without any issue. Even if Narwal S10 Pro is a cordless wet dry vacuum cleaner, it comes with a very powerful motor. The motor is truly ultra powerful. It can go up to 14,000 Pascal, which leads to a 76 air watt suction and 17 Newton mop pressure. After comparing this with some other wet dry vacuum cleaners, yeah, the suction power and mop pressure is at least 30% higher than the others.
It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Or nothing at all.
As it is a wet dry vacuum cleaner, yeah, it comes with a water tank And Narwhal has intelligently placed the clean water tank inside the head, and the dirty water tank is on the back side of the stick. Okay, check carefully. There are two different segments inside the dirty water tank because the S10 Pro actually sorts and separates the liquids from the solids. It's really a great thing. I mean, if there is a small piece of jewelry on the floor and mistakenly we have mopped over it, we can easily take it out without touching a pool of dirty water inside the sewage tank. Well, the capacity of the clean water tank is 790 ml. Narwhal S10 Pro also has this electrolysis feature, so it takes the advantage of this electrolysis process and it can disinfect 99.99%. So yeah, all the bacteria and germs gets killed in the process of cleaning, so it stops the spreading of dirt and grime. Having a dual chamber dirty water tank also makes it easy. Now we can throw the solids into a trash can and then dump the dirty water into the toilet without being worried about any clogging. Well, the clean water tank can carry up to 790 ml, while the dirty water tank can carry up to 670 ml, and the dustbin can carry up to 150 ml. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything. When we need to refill the clean water or dump the dirty water, the LCD screen of the Narwhal S10 Pro will remind it. And yeah, there is a voice guidance too.
Self-cleaning complete. Clean dirty water tank to avoid bacterial growth.
There is another thing I personally care a lot about, and that is hair tangling. Narwhal S10 Pro comes with a very good technology, so hair never gets tangled. There is this hair detangling technology, there is a teeth to cut hair, and even if there is some hair, it comes with a special tool to clean the hair mess. Well, Narwhal S10 Pro offers a very good battery life. It comes with a set of powerful batteries and large water tanks for uninterrupted cleaning. Once it is fully recharged, we can use it up to 50 minutes and clean almost 300 square meters. And once the battery pack gets fully drained, it gets fully refueled within 3.5 hours. Yeah, it comes with a very good base station. What we need to do is to put it back to the base station. It will automatically get recharged. And not only that, it also supports self-cleaning and self-drying. There is a 32 pipeline water rinse along with scrubbing, and this a very useful disinfection feature, so it gets super clean. It not only gets cleaned, it also gets self-dried with a 55 degrees Celsius warm air drying and spinning. It gets fully cleaned and dried within 30 minutes. So when we put Narwhal S10 Pro in self-cleaning and drying mode, we don't have to wait longer than 30 minutes. Some other vacuum cleaners actually takes more than 1 hour. Compared to wet dry vacuum cleaners, Narwhal S10 Pro gets self-cleaned and dried twice faster. Okay, let's talk about real-life performance. There are 5 different modes. Once we power on, Narwhal S10 Pro goes into the auto mode. There is this suction mode, turbo mode and quiet mode. Actually, I always keep it in auto mode. I have talked to my friend Eva. She also says that she keep it in auto mode. And yeah, there is this maximum mode. To activate the maximum mode, what we need to do is to press and hold the mode button. And yeah, the maximum mode gets enabled. But usually, we don't need to use that because the auto mode actually works perfectly fine. In auto mode, Narwhal S10 Pro can automatically monitor the mess or the dirt level, and based on that it actually increases or maintains the water output level. If it is changed to maximum mode, it will automatically increase the water level. Narwhal S10 Pro intelligently detects a dirt level, automatically adjusts suction and water levels for efficient and uninterrupted cleaning. Actually having 76 air watt suction efficiency along with 17 Newton mopping pressure, I've never felt like Narwhal S10 Pro has ever failed to clean an area. When some other wet dry vacuum cleaners takes 2 or 3 times to clean a crazy mess, Narwhal S10 Pro does it in a single pass. Kudos to Narwhal. Well, before I wrap up, there is another thing I need to mention, that is the floors instantly gets dried. As my friend Eva, she has a kid, so she was a bit worried at the beginning if the floor remains a bit wet then it is not very good as she has a kid. But after she has used this Narwal S10 Pro on different type of floors, she has told me that she is feeling like over the moon. Well, that's all about this Narwal S10 Pro wet dry vacuum cleaner. I think if you're looking for a value for money wet dry vacuum cleaner which offers the best performance, then you should check this Narwal S10 Pro. I have left a link in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But as usual, I don't believe in affiliation. I'm not gonna earn anything from you. I'm here to share my honest opinion. I just wanna let you know that yeah, there is a product which offers very good value for money and may align with all of your requirements, like my friend Eva. So if you're gonna buy this Narwal S10 Pro, you can buy from anywhere. There is a link given in the description box below. If you wanna check, go ahead, check the product. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
It's gotta